Wrapping tree trunks and columns with lights has always been popular for special events and Christmas. But wrapping with string lights can be time-consuming, costly, and frustrating. Until now. Introducing Wintergreen Lighting's StretchNet Pro net lights, an innovative new lighting product made to stretch and expand, giving you the freedom to cover a much wider variety of shapes and sizes. StretchNets come in different sizes and light counts for small, medium, and large applications. Small stretch nets expand to cover trees up to 26 inches around. Medium stretch nets expand to cover trees up to 37 inches around. And large stretch nets expand to cover trees up to 52 inches around, giving you the flexibility to cover an incredibly wide range of tree sizes. Stretch nets also come with clips which can be used to secure the ends together. Simply start at the top, clip the clasp to the other end of the stretch net, and work your way down. Once your net lights are connected, adjust around the surface to achieve your desired look. StretchNet Pro net lights can also be connected end to end, which means you can create a taller trunk wrap light display by placing a second net above the first. Depending on which size stretch net you use, as little as 2 stretch nets can give you up to 6 feet or 8 feet of display height. StretchNet Pro lights for columns come with white wire options to give you amazing home and front doorway scenes. They also come in brown wire to better blend in on trunk wraps that look great during the day and absolutely stunning at night. StretchNet Pro net lights install faster than traditional net lights and string lights. They can be more easily adjusted to surfaces and contours. They can cover a larger area with less lights. And removing stretch nets is even faster because it's as simple as unsnapping a few clips, which is remarkably quicker than unwrapping string lights from around a tree. Make your trees and columns look amazing and have fun doing it with Wintergreen Lighting's new StretchNet Pro net lights. Get yours today!